on the 6th Foundation Day of Smart Ways India, I, Advocate Ravinder Kumar, as a President of Federation of Indian Direct Selling Industry, would like to congratulate Mr. Suraj Nair and Mr. Ashok and all entire family of Smart Ways for this grand success achievements, and I wish you best of luck for coming years. We as an association promote the legal and ethical companies, and Smart Ways is one of them. Mr. Suraj Nair and Mr. Ashok, once again, best of luck for your future. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Sudan. I am the Editor-in-Chief of Direct Selling Today, and I am also the General Secretary for Federation of Indian Direct Selling Industry. Today, we all like to congratulate Team Smartway, their staff, their management, above all, the direct sellers on a great and a successful 6th year of establishment. Today, when we celebrate this great day, we also look forward to some great moments spent with you. We also look forward to the discussions that we had on legal and ethical issues facing our industry. We also look back on the awareness program that we conducted across the states on implementation of direct selling guidelines. We also like to acknowledge your inputs on the financial and customer issues on facing this industry. Today, once again, we all would like to congratulate Team Smartway, Ashok ji, Suraj sir, and above all the direct sellers on this great day. God bless you. Thank you so much.
If I speak of Indian direct selling and ethical direct selling industry, the first name which comes in my mind is of Smartway and its energetic chairman cum managing director. He has done a lot for this industry, and on behalf of Federation of Indian Direct Selling Industry and its members, I, Rajneesh Malik, General Manager of the Federation, wish to congratulate you all on the 6th Foundation Day of Smartway and wish you all a very bright and eventful future in the years to come.